I am Satya Narayana. I am originally from pharmaceutical industry. I have voluntarily retired myself. I worked in both allopathy division, Ayurvedic division and homeopathy, all three divisions. And after that, I have, after taking my voluntary retirement from the pharma industry, I started blogging. Because I was very much interested in yoga in the beginning. That made me to go for blogging about yoga, because I have seen the pharmaceutical industry, therapies, systems and other things, and allopathy, as I know myself, that it though gives you symptomatic relief, it provides, it gives a lot of side effects. And Ayurvedic and homeopathy are also good therapies. But to my knowledge, the efficiency of prescribing the medicine is not there. Then even in Ayurvedic and allopathy, I have found there are side effects which are unknown to many people. Then I was interested that since I was in health industry, I was interested in giving people advice on non-medical healings like yoga. Then I came to know about pranic healing. I studied and I learned something about pranic healing, but I didn't experience it. Then I came to know that in Anna Nagar, pranic healing services are being given. So I was intimated through one of my friends. I came here today. I just walked inside. I was suffering from phobias and obsessive thoughts. So that made me a lot of uncomfortable, almost say 20-25 years. And since I myself am interested in yoga, I'm able to control myself to some extent, but that doesn't go. Today, when I entered here into this pranic healing center in Anna Nagar, I was first, I do not know what is happening. Then I came inside. The healers there asked me to sit and then meditate myself, be calm. And then the process, I do not know what exactly they did. After the process was over, I feel I was a little elated, I was a little elevated rather. And I felt a little happy because my mind was so clear, my vision was so clear, there were no thoughts were coming inside for that moment. I think this will definitely help me to get over the problems. And I am also interested in taking this particular therapy of pranic healing to many people, all across the globe. And I wanted to myself, provide pranic healing services to the other people. Thank you.